We all know the basics of personal hygiene: shower daily, brush your teeth, wear deodorant, right? But what if I told you that there are things you're redoing without even realizing it that are making you smell bad? Yes, even if you think you're staying on top of your hygiene, you could be sabotaging your scent in ways you never imagined. Today, we're uncovering the sneaky habits that might be making you smell worse. And I've got solutions to help you stay fresh all day long. Let's dive in. 1. Not washing your clothes enough. First things first, your clothes. This is one of the most common culprits when it comes to that lingering smell. Even though you might shower and apply deodorant, your clothes can still trap sweat, bacteria, and oils from your skin. Those workout clothes you wore just once? They've probably soaked up some serious odor. Fabrics like cotton, wool, and polyester absorb sweat and oils, and they can hold on to those smells much longer than you might think. It's important to wash your clothes after each wear, especially if you've been active. The same goes for towels and bedding. Fresh clothes are key to smelling fresh, so make sure you wash them regularly. Trust me, this simple habit makes a world of difference. 2. Overusing scented products. Here's something that might sound counterintuitive. Using too many scented products can actually make you smell worse. Now, we're not saying you shouldn't wear perfume or body spray, but when you layer too many products with strong scents, they can mix together in ways you might not expect. Think of it like trying to make a smoothie with too many flavors. It just doesn't work. Your body's natural oils and fragrances can clash with the scents you're wearing, making the overall smell overwhelming and sometimes a bit off. Stick to 1 or 2 products with complementary scents. Less is often more when it comes to fragrance, and a subtle scent is always more appealing than overpowering one. 3. Not changing your pillowcase enough. Here's one you might not think about: your pillowcase. When you sleep, all the oils, sweat, and dirt from your face and hair are transferred to your pillowcase. And that's not just gross. It can actually cause you to smell bad. Over time, the buildup of bacteria and oils on your pillowcase creates a musty, unpleasant scent that gets transferred to your skin as you sleep. Make sure to change your pillowcase regularly, at least once a week, and more if you sweat a lot while you sleep. Think of it as giving your face and neck a fresh, clean surface to rest on, so you wake up feeling and smelling great. 4. Wearing the wrong shoes or socks. Okay, let's talk about your feet. Everyone knows that sweaty feet can lead to unpleasant odors. But what you might not realize is that wearing the wrong shoes or socks can make the problem worse. Shoes made from synthetic materials like plastic or rubber don't allow your feet to breathe, which traps sweat and bacteria inside, creating the perfect conditions for bad smells. And if you wear the same socks all day, they're holding on to all that moisture, which can lead to foot odor. The solution? Choose shoes made from breathable materials like leather or canvas, and make sure to wear moisture-wicking socks. Changing your socks during the day, especially if you've been active, can also help keep your feet fresh and odor-free. A little care for your feet goes a long way in keeping your whole body smelling great. 5. Eating certain foods. What you eat plays a huge role in how you smell. Yep, certain foods can actually make your sweat smell stronger or more pungent. Foods like garlic, onions, spicy foods, and even coffee release sulfur compounds or other strong-smelling molecules that are absorbed into your bloodstream and then excreted through your sweat. It's like your body is wearing the scent of what you eat. If you're trying to stay fresh, you might want to avoid that garlic-heavy pasta or that extra cup of coffee before an important meeting or date. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and water can help your body naturally detoxify and keep your sweat smelling neutral. What you eat truly does affect your scent, so choose wisely. 6. Not drinking enough water. Hydration is key when it comes to body odor. If you're not drinking enough water, your body has a harder time flushing out toxins, and that leads to stronger, more concentrated sweat. Think of it like trying to clean a mess with dirty water. It just doesn't work as well. When you're hydrated, your body sweats more efficiently, and that sweat doesn't have as strong of an odor. So, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Not only will your body function better overall, but your sweat will smell less intense, and you'll feel more energized. Plus, staying hydrated helps with your skin, digestion, and overall health, so it's a win-win. 7. Skipping the shower after a workout. Another big mistake is skipping the post-workout shower. When you exercise, your body sweats to cool down, and that sweat mixes with the bacteria on your skin, creating body odor. If you don't shower soon after working out, that sweat has more time to interact with the bacteria, leading to a stronger, more noticeable smell. The solution? Shower within 30 minutes after your workout to wash away the sweat and bacteria. This quick rinse helps reset your scent and keeps you feeling fresh, even after a tough workout. And don't forget to apply deodorant afterward to stay fresh all day. 8. Using the wrong deodorant or antiperspirant. Let's not forget about deodorant and antiperspirants. Not all deodorants are created equal, and if you're using the wrong one, it might not be helping you at all. Some deodorants might not last long enough to keep you smelling fresh, and others may not be effective for your body chemistry. It's important to find a deodorant that works for you. Look for products that provide long-lasting protection and match your skin's needs. Also, remember to apply deodorant on clean, dry skin, and give it a minute to set before putting on clothes. If you're not already, try switching up your deodorant or antiperspirant to find one that works best for you. So, there you have it. These are the sneaky things you might be doing that are making you smell bad without even realizing it. But don't worry, by making a few simple changes, you can stay fresh all day long. Fresh clothes, a good skincare routine, and proper hydration are all key to keeping that clean, pleasant scent. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way, and you'll be smelling amazing without extra effort. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal care and lifestyle. Share this video with someone who might need a little reminder on how to stay fresh, and let me know in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you learned today? I'd love to hear from you.